In this video, I will going to discuss camera ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. ISO is your camera sensitivity to light. So the higher the ISO number is the more it is sensitive to light, but the lower the ISO number is the less it is sensitive to light. In my camera Canon 200D2, I am using a kit lens that the ISO starts from 100 to 25-600. But be careful, kasi kung mas mataas ang number ng ISO, ay mas nagkakaroon ng noise or grainy sa isang image and video. So I suggest na maglaro lang sa 200 to 1600 ang ISO. Depende pa yun kung nasa outdoor tayo or nasa indoor. But there are times na umaabot tayo ng 3,200 kasi may mga situation na sobrang dilim talaga ng paligid kaya kailangan natin mag-adjust. Pero wag naman sana nang aabot ng 6,400 yung ISO dahil yung mga ganong ISO number na pataas ay really affect the quality of the video and the photo. So let's move on to shutter speed. Ang shutter speed naman is yung speed ng camera mo to capture the movement of your subject. So the higher the number of your shutter speed is the fastest it can catch the movement of your subject, while the lower the number of your shutter speed, the slower it can catch the movement of your subject. In photo, it looks like this. But take note, the higher the number of your shutter speed is the darker your image or video will be, and that goes vice versa. Higher, darker, lower, brighter. So magkatulong palagi sa setting ang shutter speed and ISO to capture a well-balanced video and photo. Lastly, the aperture. The aperture is the opening in your camera lenses that light passes through. So when you open it, it will allow light to enter that will give your shot a blur effect in the background, which means that your camera is set to focus on its close subject. Just like in this video, my aperture setting in this is 1.8. This setting is good for portrait and product photography. When you close it, the light that will enter is less, which gives you the advantage to shoot a landscape subject because the focus becomes wide. So this setting is good for establishing or wide shots. So hanggang doon na muna mga ka-ST, sana may mga natutuhan kayo. See you sa next videos!